fun day in the markets. Started off well. We had some pretty big dips, and the markets came right back towards the end. So let's dig a little deeper and see how my positions have changed between yesterday and today. Quick disclosures as usual, it's not financial advice, and I will close my positions without warning. So starting with the ARKK, today ARKK did dip quite a bit. That gave me an opportunity to add some shares. I did buy a few shares to lower my cost basis. I still have about 7.5% in ARKK. The Qs were all over the place today. Started off slightly green and then had a huge dip and then came right back. I did sell some covered calls and then bought it back through the course of the day and used some of that to load up on a short position in semis. BLOK didn't do any trade today, but it's still about 2%, a little over 2% of my portfolio. The SQQQs and TECS, both 3X ETFs, the tech ETFs, I still have close to 9% exposure to puts in both of these. The puts are long dated, expiring between September of 2021, September of this year, and January of 2022. So long dated puts. My bullish exposure to both real estate and energy via puts on DRV and DRY, the inverse ETFs, did pretty well today. And I have a little over 1.5% in those. I still have some long-dated calls in ARKG and LABD, both bullish positions. ARKG is straight up bullish calls, and LABD is puts on the 3X inverse biotech ETF. And then generally long market through puts on UVXY. Which is a little over 1.5% of my portfolio, and my inverse that I actually added to. So that percentage will go up a little bit today, but I took some profits from my covered call trade and added a portion of that to my semis. So that's all for today. I'll get back to my position sizing on Monday.